You just drove your Honda off the lot. You're excited. You think you got a great deal. But what your dealer didn't tell you, and what's buried in the fine print they handed you, could cost you thousands of dollars over the next few years. I'm going to break down 12 things Honda dealerships hope you never find out. Stay until number 7. That one alone could save you over $800 a year. If you're new here, welcome to Honda Realm, the only channel built entirely for Honda owners who want the truth. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a video that could save you money. Number 1. The dealer add-ons you agreed to are almost always overpriced. That paint protection film? You can get the exact same product installed by a third-party shop for 40 to 60% less. The key protection plan? Honda's own locksmith service is free for the first 3 years under your warranty. The fabric protection spray? That's a $12 can of Scotchgard applied in a parking lot, marked up to $300. The moment you sign, these add-ons become nearly impossible to reverse. So before your next purchase, refuse everything at the finance desk and shop those services independently. You'll save hundreds before you leave the parking lot. Number 2. Your Honda's oil life monitor is smarter than the every 3,000 miles sticker your dealer puts on your windshield. That sticker is a dealer revenue tool, full stop. Honda's own maintenance minder calculates actual engine wear based on how you drive, your RPM patterns, your engine temperature, your trip length. For most Civics, Accords, and CR versus driven in normal conditions, the maintenance minder doesn't alert you until 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Follow the dashboard, not the sticker. You'll save $150 to $200 per year just on this one change, and your engine will be no worse off. Honda's own engineers designed the system to tell you exactly when the oil actually needs changing. Number 3. Honda's 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty covers a lot more than most dealers admit. Rattles, paint defects, interior trim failures, squeaks. These are all covered, but most service advisors won't volunteer that information. You have to ask specifically. The most important phrase you can learn as a Honda owner is this: "I'd like this documented as a warranty claim." The moment those words are said and put in writing, the dealer is legally required to address it under warranty. Without that phrase, service advisors often classify repairs as customer goodwill and close the ticket without a real fix. Use it every single time you bring your car in while it's under warranty. Number 4. Your Honda's cabin air filter costs $8 at any auto parts store and takes 4 minutes to replace yourself. It's behind your glove box. You open the box, press in the sides, drop the door down, slide the old filter out, slide the new one in. That's it. Dealers charge $40 to $80 for this exact service. It is one of the single most marked-up maintenance items at every dealership in the country. If you've been paying dealer prices for cabin air filter replacements, you've been leaving $30 to $70 on the table every single service visit. Go to Amazon right now, search your car's year, make, and model plus cabin air filter. Buy the $8 option and do it yourself this weekend. Number 5. Honda's recall database is public, it's free, and it's available at recalls.honda.com. Dealers are legally required to fix open recalls at zero cost to you, but they don't proactively call every single customer. Recalls trickle through notification systems slowly, and some owners never get contacted at all. There are frequently open recalls on Honda infotainment software, airbag components, and fuel system parts that can take years to reach every affected vehicle. Go to recalls.honda.com right now, enter your VIN, and see exactly what's open on your car. Then book that appointment. Every single fix is free. Check it every 6 months. New recalls get issued all the time. Number 6. The extended warranty the finance manager pushed on you, Honda Care, is negotiable in price. Most Honda owners don't know this. Dealers have flexibility of up to 20% below their initial quoted price on Honda Care plans. If you felt pressured into overpaying at the time of purchase, call Honda Financial Services directly and ask about adjusting the terms. More importantly, you do not have to buy Honda Care at the point of sale. You can purchase it any time before your original factory warranty expires. That means if your Honda is currently under its 3-year bumper-to-bumper coverage, you have time to shop around, compare prices from different dealers online. Yes, you can buy Honda Care from any Honda dealer, not just yours, and get the best rate. Don't let the finance desk rush you. We're halfway through, and number 7 is the one most Honda owners never hear about. It involves a feature that's sitting in your car right now, probably running every single day, and it's quietly causing a problem most people don't find out about until it's too late. Let's get into it. Number 7. Honda's Automatic Idle Stop System. The feature that shuts the engine off when you stop at a red light and restarts it when you lift off the brake is secretly wearing your starter motor faster than normal driving ever would. Honda engineered a reinforced starter specifically designed for this system, but mechanics unfamiliar with Honda's design will sometimes misdiagnose the resulting whereas a failing battery or alternator. Here's what you can do right now. If you're doing stop-and-go city driving more than half the time, press the idle stop button on your dash to disable it. You'll lose a small amount of fuel efficiency, but you'll extend the life of your starter motor significantly. In heavy urban traffic, the fuel savings from idle stop barely offset the wear anyway. Use it on the highway, turn it off in the city. Number 8. Honda's Lane Watch Camera. On models that have it, records to a rolling buffer. That footage isn't stored permanently, but if you're ever in a minor fender bender and the other driver disputes what happened, your dealer may be able to retrieve that buffer before it overwrites. But only if you act fast, usually within 24 to 48 hours. Most owners have no idea this buffer exists. The camera is mounted in the passenger side mirror and activates automatically when you signal. Beyond accident situations, the Lane Watch system also shows you blind spot information more accurately than your mirrors alone. If you've been ignoring that button on your turn signal stalk, start using it. It's one of the most underrated safety features Honda builds. Number 9. Tire rotation is free under most Honda Care maintenance plans, but dealers almost never remind you. If you purchased any service package when you bought your Honda, call your service department this week and ask them to pull up your plan and tell you exactly what's included. Thousands of Honda owners across the country are paying $20 to $40 out of pocket for tire rotations they've already paid for as part of their maintenance plan. This also applies to multi-point inspections, fluid top-offs, and in some plans, oil changes. Get a list of what's covered, put it in your glove box, and bring it every single service visit. Number 10. Your Honda's battery is rated for roughly 3 to 5 years under normal conditions. But if you live in a warm state like Texas, Florida, Arizona, or Southern California, heat degrades batteries significantly faster. We're talking 30% shorter lifespan on average. If your Honda is 3 years old and you're in a hot climate, don't wait to get stranded in a parking lot at 95 degrees. Any AutoZone, O'Reilly, or Advanced Auto Parts will do a free battery test in about 4 minutes. They don't even need to go under the hood in most cases. They test it right at the terminal. If the result shows anything below good, replace it before it fails. A new battery is $100 to $150. A tow is $80 minimum, plus the inconvenience of being stranded. Number 11. Honda's genuine OEM parts are available directly from Honda dealers online, and they're consistently 15 to 20% cheaper than what the service department charges for the exact same part at the counter. Search Honda OEM parts along with your model. Sites like Honda Parts Now and similar authorized dealers ship factory Honda parts directly to your door. If you're having your car serviced at an independent shop, you can buy the OEM part yourself online and bring it in. Many independent mechanics are happy to use customer-supplied parts. You get genuine Honda quality, you pay less, and you keep control over exactly what's going into your car. Number 12. Your Honda's infotainment and navigation software can be updated for free. Dealers frequently charge $100 to $200 for this service, and some owners get told it's required maintenance. It is not. Go to the Honda Navigation Update website, map.honda.com, enter your VIN, and download the latest maps and software directly to a USB drive at home. Plug it into your Honda's USB port, follow the on-screen prompts, and the update runs automatically. It takes about 45 minutes and costs you absolutely nothing. Honda issues these updates regularly to fix bugs, add new map data, and improve system stability. If you haven't done it in the past year, your infotainment system is probably running outdated software right now. Those are the 12 things your Honda dealer is hoping you never figure out. Every single one of them is something you can act on this week, and together they can save you hundreds, possibly thousands, over the life of your car. Share this video with every Honda owner you know. Most of them are leaving money on the table right now, and they don't even realize it. Subscribe to Honda Realm and hit the bell. Every week we post a new video with the real information Honda owners actually need. Next week we're covering the gas brands that could be damaging your Honda engine right now, and the 3 that are actually safe. Don't miss it.